Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we have an unboxing of a Diamond Art Club diamond painting. Yes, I said I was going on a no buy, but that's starting in January. I got the notification that this particular canvas got restocked. I have had this on my wish list and I've been waiting for this canvas for such a long time to be restocked. It is called Close Encounters by Scott Howden. I have been waiting for this. I did have the knockoff. I did have a knockoff from like AliExpress in like a 30 by 40, but I never did it, and I think I'm getting rid of it because I just don't think it's going to have the detail that I'm looking for. So I got the actual canvas. So we're going to open this up. Ooh, and they have it packed in the new packaging. That's so exciting. Get the canvas out. Here's my, is this a silver? Yes, this is a silver card. So this is my second one I'm getting. I'll go through the toolkit just in case any of you haven't seen what's in the new toolkit. I think that's it. Some baggies. Then they have this new putty pen. You just take the cap off, twist, 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 and putty comes out of here. And you also can reload it. They did stick a 4-placer on here. I don't know how to reload these. I haven't tried yet. Then here's the new diamond painting tray that they came with that has a stopper on it. I actually tried this diamond painting tray. It's pretty good. Here's a refill of the putty for the putty pen. They also did throw in a heart wax. And what is that, a 5, 6, 7 placer? Move this aside. And then we got a thank you for your purchase envelope, which contains inside our stickers. This is a sticker of the painting. Let's see if I can manage to fold this back up nice. Yeah, I'd rather keep it in the envelope. Okay, let's get into the canvas. If I can find where to open it up. This is a large one. This is 66 colors. Let me bring you up some. So from top to bottom, here's our astronaut with holding our little furry alien. So cute. This is a 56 centimeter by 69 centimeter. If you're looking for inches, 22 by 27. Again, the artist is Scott Howden. This is called Close Encounters. Does have, you know, the new perforated lines that they're doing. Is this printed on the, no, it's not printed on the canvas. It's just printed on the plastic covering. So I'll look again. This is really, really, really pretty. And these are round drills. Thank God. We already can see one of the ABs. We got lavender ABs in here. Looks like we have some pink ABs. Some more pink ABs right here. But here are the rest of the colors. Oh, they're just so nicely packed together. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm not taking all these drills out. It's easier for me to pack them away in drawers when they're nicely packed like this. So yeah, it's a quick video. Diamond painting videos now are quick with me. I like the way they're starting to pack the new kits. I like the new packaging. It's really nice. I have been waiting for this canvas for quite some time, so I really didn't want to do the knockoff one. I really sat and thought about it, especially when I found out that this was an actual somebody else's artwork, and it was in a much bigger size, and I knew this was going to come out in a really nice, this was going to come out nice in a bigger size. So I'm excited to have it in this size. I don't think there's any other special drills other than ABs in here. Not that I can see. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, I believe 4 ABs in here. So I hope some of the purple ABs are in her purple hair. That's going to be exciting. So anyways, you guys, that's it for today. It was a quick thing. I didn't buy a bunch of canvases. I just bought something that got back in stock that was on my wish list. And, you know, starting in January, unless it's an absolute have to, I'm gonna go on a no buy and no diamond paintings. I can't speak as much for yarn, but technically a no buy is a no buy, so it should be no yarn, no diamond paintings, no coloring supplies, no nail supplies. I want to say no mini building blocks, but I just started collecting those, so I can see myself running out of those pretty quick because I put them together pretty fast. So unless I run out of all my mini building block kits, like quick, no mini building blocks either. Yeah, this is an attempt to actually save some money this year and downsize my stash, work on stuff that I already have, to get the stash way down to make room. So that's the New Year's resolution, New Year's goal. So we're going to see how we do with it. I bought some planners. I bought some paperwork to fill out for budgeting and spending and this and that, a whole workbook. So hopefully I can save some money and stop spending on so much stuff. I'm sorry. There's not going to be that many hauls on this channel this year. There'll be hauls, but there's just not, it's not to the extent that it normally is on my channel, like a couple a week. I can't afford to do it anymore, you guys. This channel is getting too expensive and I'm not making any money off my channel just yet. So it's just not, it doesn't make sense. It's not paying out. It's not worth it right now. So I gotta go with this and use my head and stop the unnecessary spending. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this canvas. If you were curious about this canvas, now you got to see it in person. It's a really beautiful canvas. It has lots of pastel colors. I have another one of Scott Howden's, I believe, Threads of the Universe was Scott Howden, and that was full of pastels also. He makes a lot of pastel paintings. They're really, really beautiful. I can't wait to see this one done. Eventually I'll work on her. I have other things to work on right now, but you guys will be the first to know when I kit her up. So if you are enjoying your time here, you want to stay for a while, you want to check things out, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. That way you get notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you are returning, thank you for returning and joining me in today's video. I hope you enjoyed your time here with me today. So without further ado, I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, a wonderful week coming up, and a happy new year. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.